back to my channel FunX Crafts. So in today's video, as you all can already see by the title, I'm going to make something really interesting, guys. This is a DIY crown lamp, and trust me, it looked very beautiful, guys, and it's one of my favorite. So let's begin. So for this you will need cardboard, golden card paper, some colored paper, plastic bottle, foil and glue. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've taken a cardboard cutout over here and it's like a ring shape, and then another cardboard, white cardboard, and I'll just start sticking it on the edges like this. I'm using a hot glue gun for this. So after doing this, I'll just make another hole on the end like this, and then I'll just cut one bottle. So this is a big bottle, and I'll just cut it in the half and then cover it with golden paper on the base like this, and then attach it to the cutting on the circle cutting which I've made. So I'll just attach over there. Now I've taken another cardboard strip of the golden card paper, and on that I'll just be sticking the craft wire like this so that it can be easily foldable in whatever shape I make, and then I'll cover it with white paper. So as you can see, the strips are made and these are already so bendable. So now I'll just fold them like this in the shape of something like this, something like candy. So now I've taken another paper, colored paper, which is maroon cardboard paper, and I'll just cut it like this in this shape, and then I'll go on cutting it into a circle shape until I just cut off the edges into a flower shape like this, and then I'll just start folding it. So I'll use some glue in the middle, and then I'll start folding this like this. And then I'll just glue it on the base so that it gets a shape of a rose, and then I'll just little bit fold the edges like this so that it can look like an actual rose. And you can also use some artificial flowers for it, and if you don't have, or if you want it to be a complete craft, you can use the thing I've made. And now I've taken another green card paper, and I'll just cut the shape of leaf. I'll just fold it and then cut so that I can get so many shapes together. And then I'll just fold them also. So as you can see, I've made so many out of it. Now I've taken another green cardboard strip, and I'll just cut them like this into a grass shape. So after making this zigzag design, I'll just fold it and use some glue in the middle and just keep on folding it. So as you can see, these grass stems are also ready. Now I'll just start sticking the maroon flower base, and then I'll just use some more white and pink flowers also. So for this, I'm going to stick them on the base of the lamp. Now in the middle, I'm using some white roses. And now I'll just put some leaves also. Now I'm just putting some pink roses as well, sticking a little bit to the bottle also, and then on the top half I'll just stick some more, and make sure you do not cover the whole bottle because the light will go inside it. And now I'll just put some grass stems also in the middle. Guys, as you know, that I always make the crafts which are very affordable and easy, so that anyone can make, even the kids or the parents. So for that, the leftover pieces which I made, the paper which is left over, I'll just crush them into small tiny pieces and then stick them on the leaf in the grass stem like this. So as you can see, it's already looking so pretty, like a bouquet. Now I'll just take the wire which I made, golden covered wire, and I'll just start sticking it to the bottle cap and the base. So this will give an effect of a crown. So now as I've put 3, I'll just apply some more. Now I'll just crush a regular foil, silver foil, and then cover it with a golden foil so that it can look more neat. And then I'll just make a crushed ball and then stick it on the top. So I've made 2-3 pieces like this, and I'll just go on sticking them on one on top of the other. So as you can see, this is the head of the crown, and now I'll just cover the base which I've made earlier. I'll just cover it with this golden card paper. Now I made some designs like this, and I'll cover that also on from one end to the other end of the crown. And now some more detailings with the golden card paper. I made some designs also. I'll just put that also on the crown. Now I'll just put some glass rhinestones also. And then as you can see, it's already completed, guys, and you can see it's giving a look of a very royal and majestic crown. And trust me, this will look very beautiful in your home, and it's very affordable also and very easy. So guys, make sure you try this at home, and in next part I'll also show you how it can be decorated in my room. And trust me, it looked amazing, guys, amazing. So this is my room, and as you can see, it's already put there and it's looking so beautiful. I can't even tell you how beautiful it was looking in my room. So guys, I hope you liked my video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. This is my room tour video as well. So enjoy watching. Bye.